Ladies and gentlemen, I have fantastic deal for you. Xiaomi 14 Ultra for $1,000. Worldwide shipping. No additional cost. $1,000 for the Ultra version. That is a deal. And I also have a discount code. Of course, this is for the least expensive one. We can choose the color, like for example, black. If you want the bigger RAM and ROM, then it's $150 more. On the terabyte version is still okay. Okay, they're all on discount. Put it into your basket, and then I will show you the additional code, so you will get a free shipping. GTD24, there will be a link in the description and code in the description. For at $1,001, you will have a Xiaomi Ultra version, which is mind-blowing smartphone. In this price range, there's nothing in the market which can compare it to. Nothing better on the market. Literally nothing. For $1,000, nothing. Okay, what else do they have? By the way, 2 years warranty, European duty-free, like you can see. They have OnePlus 12 for $699, also a deal. They have Ultra, Oppo Find Ultra. You can change it to euros or whatever currency you want. There's a lot of different currencies. So let's stick with the dollars. Vivo X100 Pro for $799. That's like an extremely deal. I have this smartphone and it's fantastic. I love it. Xiaomi watch, $50 off. $200, but $15 off. But that's the best seller. Special Kenshi Impact OnePlus 12 version. That's some special stuff. New laptops, tablets for $399. They have all kinds of discount. But the most important, very limited edition stuff. But the most important is that Xiaomi 14 Ultra. That is a deal. And that's all I have. Link in the description for you. Check it out.